Hey everyone! Can you still remember your childhood? Those long summer holidays, playing outside all day, or laughing with your cousins? Today, we're not just going to remember those memories, we're going to speak about them in English.
Oh, that sounds fun. So today, learners will learn how to talk about their childhood and at the same time practice English speaking?
Exactly, Aryan. And we'll also learn which tense we use when talking about childhood memories and how to use it naturally.
So friends, if you're learning English every day and want to sound natural, this shadowing practice is for you.
Yes. First, I'll share a short story from my childhood. Then we'll break it sentence by sentence, and you'll shadow with me. That means you'll listen carefully and repeat after me, just like real speaking practice. When I was a child, my summer vacations were the best time of the year. Every summer, we cousins went to my grandmother's home. It was my mother's parents' house, a big old home with a lovely garden. We played outside all day, sometimes cricket, sometimes hide and seek. In the evening, my grandmother told us funny stories and cooked delicious food. I still remember sitting under the big mango tree, eating mangoes with my cousins. Those days were full of fun, laughter, and love.
All right, friends, now it's your turn. Let's shadow together. Neha will read slowly, and you'll repeat after her.
When I was a child, my summer vacations were the best time of the year. Every summer, we cousins went to my grandmother's home. It was my mother's parents' house, a big old home with a lovely garden. We played outside all day, sometimes cricket, sometimes hide and seek. In the evening, my grandmother told us funny stories and cooked delicious food. I still remember sitting under the big mango tree, eating mangoes with my cousins. Those days were full of fun, laughter, and love.
Neha, I noticed you said was, went, played, told, cooked. All these words sound like they're from the past tense.
You're absolutely right, Aryan. When we talk about childhood memories, we always use the simple past tense because all those actions already happened in the past. Let me make it easy for you, friends. The formula of past simple tense is subject plus past verb plus object. Examples from my story. I played with my cousins. We went to my grandmother's house. She told us stories. All the verbs are in their past form. Played, went, told, cooked, was, because we are talking about something that's already finished.
That's simple, but how can learners remember to use it?
Here's my trick. Whenever you start a sentence with, when I was a child, or when I was in school, your brain should ring a small bell. That means it's past tense time. Let's do a quick short shadowing. 3 lines together. Ready? When I was a child, I played outside all day. My grandmother told me stories every evening. We laughed, we ran, and we never looked at the clock.
Beautiful. Childhood memories are pure magic, right?
Yes, and you just practiced English while reliving your own memories.
Okay, friends, quick quiz time.
Let's see how much you remember. Q1. Which tense do we use to talk about childhood? A. Present tense. B. Past tense.
The correct answer is past tense, because childhood already happened. It's something from the past.
When I was a child, I with my cousins.
The right answer is played. We say I played with my cousins because we're talking about something that happened long ago.
Q3. True or false? We use past verbs when we talk about memories.
Answer: that's true. When you share memories or old stories, you should always use past verbs like went, played, told, or was.
Q4. What is the formula of past tense?
The correct answer is subject plus past verb plus object. Example, I played cricket. I is the subject, played is the past verb, and cricket is the object.
Beautiful job, my dear learners. You didn't just learn English, you shared your heart through language. Remember, English is not about rules, it's about stories. Your stories.
And when you practice every day, even for 5 minutes, you grow step by step.
Exactly. Keep learning, keep shadowing, and keep growing with us on Toon Talk English. And don't forget, practice makes you perfect, but daily practice makes you confident. See you in the next shadowing episode.